Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy F22 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First we need to go to the screen we want to capture. For example, I'm gonna open the Google Chrome browser. And now to take a screenshot we need to press the power button and volume down button together. When you press these buttons, you will see the animation on the screen and this bar will appear at the bottom of the screen. It's gonna disappear quickly, but that means you took a screenshot. If you open the notification panel, you will also get the notification that the screenshot was saved. Oh, my bad. Right here. And you can tap on this notification to open the screenshot, like that. Okay, let's close this, go back to Google Chrome. You can also take a scroll screenshot. Basically, if you have something like a Google page that doesn't fit on the screen, you can scroll down basically. You can take a scroll screenshot to capture the whole page instead of only the portion that fits on the screen. To do it, again, take a screenshot by pressing the power button and volume down button. And when this bar appears, here we have scroll screenshot option, the one with the arrows. I missed it, so let's take a screenshot again. Tap on this icon and the screen should scroll down, as you can see, and we can keep tapping on this icon to scroll down further, and basically you can keep scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the page or until you reach the place you want to finish to take a screenshot. And once you're done, you can tap on the screen, this bar will disappear, and you can check your screenshot right here by tapping this notification, and here we have the screenshot of the page. We can quickly also basically crop the screenshot or edit it a little. If you take a screenshot, you can tap, oh my bad. Take a screenshot, you can tap on this icon right here in the middle. That's the edit icon, and I missed it, of course. Let's try again. Now I hit it, and here basically we can crop the image, we can move this frame or shrink it or make it bigger. Basically you can select the area of the screen you want to take a screenshot of, and you can also draw on the screen by tapping right here. You can select the tool, color, like that, and then you can draw on the screen if you want, like this. And once you're done editing the screenshot, you can tap on share to share it with somebody, or tap this icon right here to save it on your phone. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.